All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 12, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid is this lesson. Nucleophilic addition of aldehyde and ketone, addition of ammonia and its derivatives to aldehyde and ketone, urotropin preparation and uses of urotropin. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel.
Nucleophilic addition of carbonyl compound. Nucleophile add to carbonyl compound to form a tetrahedral intermediate. This tetrahedral intermediate on protonation to give the nucleophile added product. First one, addition of hydrogen cyanide HCN. When aldehyde or ketone add to hydrogen cyanide to form a cyanohydrin. Example, CH3 CHO. This is a acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde add to hydrogen cyanide. This is one of the example for nucleophilic addition reaction. Acetaldehyde add to hydrogen cyanide to form a acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. This is a acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. This on further hydrolysis with H plus to form a hydroxycarboxylic acid. CH3 CH OH COOH. Name of this compound is a lactic acid. This compound having chiral carbon, so this compound is a optically active. When aldehyde or ketone add to hydrogen cyanide to form a first step is a formation of cyanohydrin. Second step is a this cyanohydrin hydrolysis with H plus to form a hydroxy acid. This is acetaldehyde. Second reaction, addition of sodium bisulfite CHO. This is acetaldehyde. Add to sodium hydrogen sulfide to form a bisulfite compound. CH3 COH OSO2 Na. Name of this compound is a bisulfite compound. Another one example, acetone CH3 COCH3. This is one of the ketone. Add to sodium bisulfite to form a bisulfite compound. CH3 CH3 HO SO2 Na. This compound is a bisulfite compound. Next one is a addition of alcohol. When aldehyde or ketone add to two equivalent of alcohol in the presence of acid catalyst to form a acetal. This reaction is called as a acetal formation reaction. Example, acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. This is also acetaldehyde. That means CH3 CHO. This both are equal. This acetaldehyde react with 2 moles of methyl alcohol in the presence of acid hydrochloric acid to form a acetal. CH3 CH OCH3 OCH3. Name of this compound is a acetal. Nucleophilic addition of carbonyl compound. When nucleophile add to carbonyl compound, first step is a formation of tetrahedral intermediate. This on further reaction with protonation to form a nucleophile added product. Example, acetaldehyde add to hydrogen cyanide. First step is a formation of acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, which on further hydrolysis to give a lactic acid. Lactic acid having chiral carbon, so lactic acid is a optically active. Second one is a addition of sodium bisulfite. Acetaldehyde add to sodium bisulfite to form a bisulfite compound. Same way, acetone add to sodium bisulfite to form a bisulfite compound. This reaction is useful for the separation and purification of carbonyl compound. Next one is a addition of alcohol. Next one is a next nucleophilic reaction, addition of ammonia and its derivative. First one, NH2OH. This is hydroxylamine NH2OH hydroxylamine. This hydroxylamine react with carbonyl compounds to form a oxime. Structure of oxime is C double bond NOH. Structure of oxime, name of this is a oxime. Hydroxylamine react with carbonyl compound to form a oxime. Second one, hydrazine NH2. Name of this compound is a hydrazine. Hydrazine react with carbonyl compound to form a hydrazone. Structure of hydrazone is a C double bond NH2. Name of this compound is a hydrazone. Next one, phenylhydrazine C6H5 NH2. This is phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine react with carbonyl compound to form a phenylhydrazone. Structure of phenylhydrazone is NHC6H5. Phenylhydrazone. Next one is a semicarbazide. Formula of semicarbazide is NH2 NHCONH2. Semicarbazide. Semicarbazide react with carbonyl compound to form a semicarbazone. Structure of semicarbazone is C double bond NHCONH2. Name of this compound is a semicarbazone. Next one is a reaction with DNP 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine NH2 NH NO2. This is number 1 position. Is 2, 3, 4. So 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. Name of this compound is a DNP 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine react with carbonyl compound to form a 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone. Structure of this compound is a C double bond NH NO2 2,4 dinite. Addition of ammonia derivative. First one is a hydroxylamine. NH2OH is a hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine add carbonyl compound to form a oxime. Next one is a hydrazine NH2 hydrazine. Hydrazine react with carbonyl compound to form a hydrazone. Next one is a phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine react with carbonyl compound to form a phenylhydrazone. Next one is a semicarbazide. Semicarbazide add to carbonyl compound to form a semicarbazone. Next one is a addition of 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine add to carbonyl compound to form a 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone. Some example, a reaction with hydroxylamine. Example, CH3CHO react with hydroxylamine to form a oxime. Name of this compound is a acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde add to hydroxylamine to form a acetaldehyde oxime. Water molecule is eliminated from reactant. So CH3 CH double bond NOH. Name of this compound is a acetaldehyde oxime. Second reaction with hydrazine. Aldehyde or ketone react with hydrazine to form a hydrazone. One of the example, acetone CH3 C double bond O. This also acetone. React with hydrazine NH2 NH2 water molecule is eliminated from reactant to form a hydrazone. CH3 CH3 C double bond N NH2. Name of this compound is a acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone. Next one is a reaction with phenyl-hydrazine. Acetone react with phenyl-hydrazone to form a acetone phenyl-hydrazone. Acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is acetone react with phenyl-hydrazine C6H5 NH NH2. This is phenyl-hydrazine. So water molecule is eliminated from reactant. So acetone phenyl-hydrazone is formed. CH3 CH3 double bond N NH C6H4. Acetone phenyl-hydrazone. Name of this compound is a acetone phenyl-hydrazone. Next, aliphatic aldehyde except formaldehyde react with either solution of ammonia to form a aldimines. Example, acetaldehyde CH3 CHO. This is acetaldehyde react with ammonia to form a first step is a acetaldehyde ammonia formation takes place. CH3 CHOH NH2. Name of this compound is a acetaldehyde ammonia. This on water elimination to form a aldimines. CH3 CH double bond NH. Name of this compound is a aldimines. Name of this compound is a acetaldehyde ammonia. Formaldehyde react with ammonia to form a hexamethylene tetramine. Name of this compound is a urotropine. Formaldehyde HCHO. This is formaldehyde react with ammonia. 4 moles of ammonia react with 6 moles of formaldehyde to form a hexamethylene tetramine. CH2 6N4 plus 6H2O. Name of this compound is a hexamethylene tetramine. It is known as a urotropine. Structure of urotropine is N CH2 CH2 N N CH2 N CH2 CH2 CH2. Name of this compound is a hexamethylene tetramine. It is also known as a urotropine. Uses of urotropine. Urotropine is used as a medicine to treat the urinary infection. Nitration of urotropine under the controlled condition gives the explosive RDX. It is also called as a, this is also very important, formaldehyde react with ammonia to form a hexamethylene tetramine. It is known as a urotropine. Uses of urotropine is a to prepare the explosive RDX, and it is used as the treatment of urinary infection. Next one, acetone react with ammonia to form a diacetone amine. Next one is a acetone react with ammonia to form a diacetone amine. Acetone CH3 CO CH3. This is acetone react with ammonia NH3. 2 moles of acetone react with ammonia to form a diacetone amine. CH3 C CH3 NH2 CH2 CO CH3. Name of this compound is a diacetone amine. Diacetone amine. Last one, benzaldehyde form a complex condensation product with ammonia. Benzaldehyde condensation with ammonia to form a hydrobenzamide. 3 molecules of benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. 3 molecules of benzaldehyde react with 2 moles of ammonia to form a hydrobenzamide. C6H5CH double bond N C6H5CH double bond N CH C6H5. Name of this compound is a itrobenzoamide. Reaction with ammonia. Aliphatic aldehyde except formaldehyde react with ammonia to form a aldehyde means formaldehyde react with ammonia to form a hexamethylene tetramine. It is also known as a urotropin. Uses of urotropin: it is used for the preparation of RDX explosive and it is used as a medicine to treat the urinary infection. Acetone react with ammonia to form a diacetone amine. Benzaldehyde react with ammonia to form a itrobenzoamide. Please like this video and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.